Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep and welcome to this next part of this series of 100 most expected questions. So today we have mathematics once again with us, and I'll be discussing again some few questions which are important from TISSNET's perspective. That's what we are going to do in our today's session. But before I start, can you all please confirm, am I audible and visible to you? Hello Naman, good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you. I'm sure that I'm audible to you and visible as well. Hi Pranjal, good afternoon. Yes, is everything okay? Then we will start with our fifth part of this series, 100 most expected questions that are there from TISSNET Maths. Yes, says Legal Aroma. Okay, thank you. Hello Radhika, good afternoon. Hello Girish. Hello Tamanna. Hi Hiba Ansari, Shilpa. Good afternoon to all of you. So happy to see you all here. Hi Anjali Gupta, good afternoon. Yes, so I'm assuming that everything is fine now, so we can start with our session. The process would be exactly the same the way we have been doing till now, right? You all know about it. That I'll be showing you the question. First of all, you will try it by yourself. After that, we'll be doing it together. Exactly the same way we'll be going ahead today as well. And once again, I have 10, 12 questions which are purely from TISSNET's perspective, quite relevant, you can say. That's what we are going to discuss in our today's session. Hello Kriti Goyal, good afternoon. So चलिए start करते हैं. Let's start with our first question here on your screen now. So start with it. Good afternoon Rahul Kumar. Very good afternoon. So you have the first question on your screen now. Start with that. Hello Rishabh Srivastav. Good afternoon. Very simple question. I would like to see who answers this fastest. Pranjul is the first one to answer. He says C. Rahul, I'm sorry, I have no idea about this college. Only Pranjul has answered till now. It's such an easy question. I was assuming that many people would answer it. Tamanna also has answered as C. Pranjul answered as C. Tamanna answered as C. Shivanshu Chaudhary has also answered as C. Naman says C. No idea about this as well, Rahul. I'm definitely assuming these colleges are not good from MBA's perspective. Had they been good, I would have been knowing about them. Legal Aroma got 30, which is C. Yashasvi got C. Anjali Gupta has got C. So let's start doing it. Let's start doing it. In a camp, there is a provision of meals for either 120 adults or 200 children. So in a way, I can say 120 adults, they eat as much as 200 children, right? He says word or means that 120 adults or 200 children, they are actually consuming the same amount. So you can take 120 adults or 200 children. If 150 children have already eaten, so if 150 children have already eaten, so can I say that how much meal is left now? Can I say it is left for 50 more children, right everyone? It is left for 50 more children. But he says how many adults could be fed with the remaining. Now the point is, if 200 children are equal to 120 adults, then 50 children are equal to how many adults? This is 1/4 of 200. So here also I'll take 1/4 of that. So 30 more adults can be fed with the remaining wheels. So my answer is going to be option C, which is 30. Later on, even Radhika and Rishabh has answered correctly for the question. The answer is option C, which is 30. So I'm assuming it is clear to all of you. All of you have understood this. Very easy question, especially from the perspective of TISSNET also, you can say it's pretty easy. Anyone can do it real fast. But Pranjul was the first one to answer it correctly, and then Tamanna and Shivanshu had also answered it correct. Later on, many people gave the right answers, Radhika, Rishabh, Girish, and all. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. It is here on your screen now. Pranjul is again the first person to answer. He says D, that is 36. Naman has got 36. Ashvi Shah has got C, that is 49. Girish got D, 36. Legal Aroma got 36. Let us start doing it then. So it says x raised to the power a into b into c is equal to x to the power a into x to the power b into x to the power c, or you can also say that if the base is same, the powers add up. So the right hand side can be written as x to the power a plus b plus c. Now, if x to the power abc is equal to x to the power a plus b plus c, that means the powers are equal. So I can straight away say a into b into c is equal to a plus b plus c. A into b plus c is a plus b plus c, and he says abc and x, they are all positive integers. Now there are three positive integers and their product is equal to their sum. Three positive integers, their product is equal to their sum. They can only be 1, 2 and 3 because these are the smallest three positive integers. और smallest three positive integers के केस में 1 2 3 आप लेते हैं, then the product becomes sum. After that, whenever you would increase any of them, any of the integers, actually the sum would always be smaller than the product. Even if you take 1 to 4, 1 to 4, the product is 8, the sum is 7. So after it will start increasing. Question is asking you a plus b plus c whole square. If a plus b plus c is 6, so 6 whole square is 36. So my answer for this question is option D, that is equal to 36. And later on, I see many people answered it right. Shivanshu Chaudhary, Rahul Kumar, Shelja, Kriti, Anshifa, and Indumati, Rishabh Srivastav, they all have given right answer for the question. So always keep it in mind. These are the only three positive integers for which the sum of the integers is equal to their product. They are 1, 2, and 3. That was question number 2. That was pretty easy. I'm sure all of you would have got it. I'll move ahead then to question number 3 on your screen now. Critical, but 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, right? Their product is not equal to their sum. Apart from 1, 2, 3, it is not possible for any three positive integers, even if they are equal. Legal Aroma is the first person to answer. He says 67. Naman got 259. Pranjul got 259, Kriti got 259, Shilpa, Shivanshu, Amit got 259, Rishabh got 259, Rahul also got 259. Very good. Many answers. Almost everyone says 259. Innocent says 259. Mitesh is saying 259. That's great. Let's have a look at this. देखते हैं क्या आता है. Girish also got 259. Eighth term of the sequence. The sequence is 5, 7, 11, 19. Here I see the difference is 2. Here I see the difference is 4. Here I see the difference is 8. So these are powers of 2. So the next difference has to be 16. So 19 plus 16, the number should be 35. The next difference should be 32. So 35 plus 32, the number should be 67. The next difference should be 64. 67 plus 64 is 131. The next difference should be 128. 131 plus 128 should be 259. And this is the eighth term. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So the eighth term is equal to 259. D option 259 is the right answer. Anjali, Tamanna, Shelja also gave right answer later on. So these are easy questions. I mean, from even TISSNET's perspective, I'm sure you can do them pretty easily. Okay. That was question number 3. I'll move ahead now to question number 4. Here is question number 4 on your screen now. Question number 4 now. Set A represents the single digit prime numbers. Set B represents the single digit composite numbers. In the set A into B, how many elements have two even numbers? Tamanna says C, that is 5. Naman is saying 3. Shilpa says A3. Kriti says A3. Amit says A3. Pranjul, Naman, they all are saying A3. Harshika, it was supposed to be released yesterday. I'm not sure whether it has been released or not. Shelja got 3. Sumedhu got 3. Girish got 4. Quite tricky. Acha, you are saying question 4 is quite tricky. See, probably you might find it tricky if you do not know what exactly do we mean by A cross B. Set A cross B means the ordered pairs of A comma B, where A belongs to the set A and B belongs to the set B. So all ordered pairs of their elements, when they are formed, that is called A cross B. For example, set A has got 2 elements 1 and 2. Set B has got 3 elements A, B, C. So what will be A cross B? A cross B will have elements like 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 1 comma C, 2 comma A, 2 comma B, and 2 comma C. These are the elements of set A cross B. So elements of A, after that elements of B would be written. So here when the question says set A contains the single digit prime numbers. So set A contains single digit prime numbers means 2, 3, 5, 7. And set B contains single digit composite numbers. Single digit composite numbers are 4, 6, 8 and 9. So in the set A cross B, so when you make A cross B now, so first you will be writing element of A, then element of B. How many of them have two even numbers? So even number can come from here as 2 only, and from here it can be 4 or 6 or 8. These are the only three elements which can have both of them as even numbers. So therefore my answer for this question is option A, that is equal to 3, only one element, right? 2, 4 and 4, 2 are considered as only one element. Actually, they would you would not be writing 4, 2. In case of A cross B, you always write them in an ordered way. First, the element of A would be written, and after that, the element of B would be written. So that's generally written like that only, right? You do not change the order. So keep that in mind. Okay. So that was question number 4. I'll move ahead now from here to question number 5. Question number 5 is here on your screen now. Oh, Divij, probably you took multiplication of those two numbers, right? But A cross B is actually a cross multiplication of the sets, not elements. Tamanna is the first person to answer. She says B. Shivanshu Chaudhary says D, that is 90. Rishabh also got D as 90. So we have got 3 answers till now. One person says B, 2 people are saying D. Okay, Rishabh. Yash has got D, that is 90. Shelja has got D, which is 90. Girish has got D, that is 90. Naman, Rahul, they all have got D. Looks like D is the right answer. Everyone got D now. Pranjul also got D. Rishika has got D. चलिए करना शुरू करते हैं. Innocent got D. Rahul crosses a standing train in 10 minutes. Actually, it should not be standing train. It should be a stationary train, right? It should be a stationary train. Rahul crosses a stationary train in 10 minutes. Sandeep crosses the same stationary train in 15 minutes. The difference between the speed of Rahul and Sandeep is 4 km per hour. First of all, when I talk about this, that Rahul and Sandeep, Rahul can cross a train in 10 minutes, Sandeep can cross it in 15 minutes. That automatically means Rahul is faster than Sandeep. So speed of Rahul to the speed of Sandeep. Now Rahul is faster than Sandeep, and the difference between the speeds is at 4 km per hour. So if the speed of Sandeep is x, I can say speed of Rahul is x plus 4 km per hour. Whatever is the Sandeep of speed of Sandeep, the speed of Rahul is 4 more than that. So speed of Sandeep is x, so speed of Rahul would be x plus 4. And the time taken by them to cross the same distance is 10 and 15 minutes. So ratio of their speeds is inverse of the ratio of their time. Speed का ratio time के ratio से inverse होता है. So time taken by Rahul is 10, time taken by Sandeep is 15. I have written them in reverse order. So 5 to 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. By cross multiplying, I can say that x is equal to 8 km per hour. So speed of Sandeep is 8 km per hour and speed of Rahul is 12 km per hour. So what is the length of the train? Can I calculate that from here? Of course, yes. You can take any one of them. Rahul can cross the stationary train in 10 minutes. So at a speed of 12 in 10 minutes or 10 by 60 hours, how much can he cover? 2 kilometers. So I can say length of the train is 2 kilometers. Length of the train is speed into time, but time has to be converted into hours because the speed is in kilometer per hour. So length of the train is 2 kilometers or 2000 meters. Now he says if the train crosses a platform of 1000 meters in 120 seconds, what is the speed of the train? The train crosses 1000 meters का platform plus its own length. That means the train crosses 3000 meters or 3 kilometers in 120 seconds. 120 seconds का मतलब है 2 minutes. 2 minutes means 2 by 60 hours. So what is the speed of the train? It is 90 kilometer per hour. So the D option is the right answer, that the speed of the train is 90 kilometer per hour, because when a train crosses a platform, the total distance traveled by it is the length of the train plus the length of the platform. Length of the train is 2 kilometers. Length of the platform is 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meters. So 3 kilometers is covered in 2 minutes. 2 minutes means 2 by 60 hours. So distance divided by time gives you the speed as 90 kilometer per hour. I am assuming that this question is clear to you now. Okay, Tamanna Sahu, I'll repeat once again. First of all, Rahul crosses the length of the train in 10 minutes, Sandeep in 15 minutes. So Rahul is faster than Sandeep. The difference in their speeds is 8 km per hour. So I am assuming the speed of Sandeep to be x. Rahul is faster, his speed is x plus 4. The ratio of their speed should be inverse of the ratio of their time. So ratio of time में inverse हो जाएगा 15 by 10. By solving that we get x is equal to 8 or x plus 4 as 12. Now Rahul can cross a train in 10 minutes and speed of Rahul is 12. So what is the length of the train? Speed of 12 into time. Time is 10 by 60. Right? Hours में convert करोगे, which comes out to be 2 kilometers. Now when the train crosses a platform of 1 kilometer, so it is 2 kilometers the length of the train plus 1 kilometer is the length of the platform. So 3 kilometers is covered in 120 seconds, that is 2 minutes or 2 by 60 hours. तो उससे आपने divide कर दिया. Distance divided by time gives you the speed, which is 90 km per hour. Yes, Naman, absolutely correct. Easy question, but slightly lengthy. Okay. Okay, ji, I'll move ahead now. I'm assuming that now it is clear to all. I'll move ahead to question number 6 now. Question number 6 on your screen is here now. Oh, sorry, Anjali, we have already moved on. I mean, I repeated that though. I'm sure that it will be clear after the repetition. If it is still not clear, you can watch in the recorded video, Anjali. And still, if you have a doubt, you can put it in the comment section. I would answer there. मैट का एग्जाम देना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से तो नहीं. इट इटसेल्फ सेज मत देना. मैट देना इज मत देना. Rahul, the colleges that you get through MAT, they are not good enough. I would always suggest try again, right? It should be the last option. If not CAT, you can try for SNAP or NMAT or TISSNET or CMAT or Maharashtra CET, but not MAT in my opinion. Any answer for question number 6? Rishabh Srivastav has got the first answer as C. Naman has got B. Tamanna Sahu has got C. Shelja has got D. So we got B as well as C as well as D. Any other answer apart from these? We have got only three answers till, I mean, four answers. Two of them are similar, they are equal to C, but the other two are different, B and D. I'm assuming everyone knows what is a cuboidal box. How do we find out the surface area of a cuboidal box? Yes, Kriti Gul, that is correct. Let us start doing it then. The measurement of a cuboidal box is 4, 5, 6. So let us say they are 4K, 5K and 6K. The length, breadth and height, let's say they are 4K, 5K and 6K. The difference between the cost of molding the metal sheet at these two is rupees 1332. Now, what is the surface area? For molding, we need surface area. Surface area is twice of LB plus BH plus HL. It will be twice of 4K into 5K, that is 20K square, plus 4K into 6K, that is 24K square, plus 5K into 6K, that is 30K square. That comes out to be 74 into 2. So what is 74 into 2? I think 74 into 2 is 148K square, right? It is 148K square. 148K square is the total surface area. Now, after that he says the cost of molding the sheet at 18 per meter square and 20 meter per square is 1332. So that means 148K square into 20 minus 18. The difference between the two is into 20 minus 18 is 1332. From here what can I say? It is 148 into 2 or ho jayega, that is 296K square is 1332. 296K square is 1332. I think there is something wrong here with the question. It was not 1332 as far as I remember, it was 666, right? There is some mistake over here. It was 666. Some figure is changed, probably because of some reason. So if you did not get the right answer, possibly it is because of that only, right? So here you'll be getting 333. 74 into 2, 148 into 2, it is 296K square is equal to 333. नहीं 333 क्यों 666 है ना. Now let's cancel it out. 37 नहीं 74 से we can cancel it out at 4 and 74 this cancel it out at 9. So k square is 9 by 4. Yes, that's right. So k is equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.5. And if k is equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.5, just put them here. If you put them here, you'll get the right answer as option A. Yes, I think there is some mistake. Let me just correct it once. ठीक है, मैं इसको एक बार ठीक भी कर देता हूं. So I don't know where from this has appeared. So it was actually 666. It was not 1332. Okay. It is 666, not 1332. Right. So the correct answer for this question is option A, that is 6 meters, 7.5 meters and 9 meters. हाँ जी, I got the mistake. वो 666 था, गलती से उसका डबल करके लिखा हुआ था. It was 666. And the right option is given as option A, which is 6, 7.5 and 9. तो एनीवेज यहां तो कोई मिस्टेक होगी क्वेश्चन के अंदर, आई कैन अज्यूम आपका आंसर गलत आया हो तो, बट आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि आपको सॉल्यूशन समझ आ गया है. वी फाउंड द सरफेस एरिया इनटू 20 इज द कॉस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस. Surface area into 18 is the cost according to this. The difference between them is surface area into 20 minus surface area into 18. That surface area will come outside. Inside we have 20 minus 18 and that is equal to 666. ये 2 आया है, 2 से कैंसल आउट कर दिया उसको, 74 से काट दिया. We got k as 3 by 2. By putting we get the answer here. Okay, ठीक है जी. सो डबल आया आंसर. ओके, वो उसी की वजह से आया होगा शायद. 1332 में से डबल भी नहीं आता, राइट. Had you taken 1332, it would have been root 2 times of that. अगर 4 times होता ना 666 का, तब डबल आता. Z में भी यही हुआ. Z में this time I have got to know कि बहुत सारी mistakes थी. डिफरेंस टोटल सरफेस एरिया एंड सरफेस कर्व सरफेस एरिया का है ना. नहीं राहुल, डिफरेंस इज ऑफ द टोटल सरफेस एरिया एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 18 एंड टोटल सरफेस एरिया एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 20. उनका डिफरेंस है. ओके आयशा, यही क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ दैट इफ यू मोल्ड द मेटल एट द रेट ऑफ 18 पर मीटर स्क्वायर, तो आपका कॉस्ट कितना आएगा? 148 के स्क्वायर इंटू 18 एंड एट 20 व्हाट विल बी द कॉस्ट? 128 के स्क्वायर इंटू 20. उनका डिफरेंस इज गिवन एज 666 रुपीज. सो देयरफॉर आई पुट देम इक्वल टू 666 और उससे हमारा आंसर आता है. ओके चलिए जी आगे बढ़ते हैं. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. हियर इट इज ऑन योर स्क्रीन नाउ. कृति वो तो रेक्टेंगल के लिए होता है इन 2 डायमेंशनल फिगर्स. ट्वाइस ऑफ एल प्लस बी इंटू एच. अच्छा वो होता है कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. इन केस ऑफ अ क्यूबॉइड इट इज द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. ट्वाइस ऑफ एल एच प्लस बी एच. मैंने एच नहीं देखा, मुझे लगा आप ट्वाइस ऑफ एल प्लस बी कह रहे. Here is question number 7 now. Shelja has got the answer as B. Yashasvi has got the answer as D. Girish has got B. Naman has got B. Anshifa has got B. Do not think about this currently, Anjali. Write the exam of TISSNET. After that, we can talk about it. So everyone is getting B as the answer. चलिए करते हैं. First of all, what do we mean by successive division? Some of you might not know about it. I'm taking a number, let's say randomly 34. If 34 is divided by 4, 4 8s are 32, the remainder is 2. Now when this 8 is divided by 6, the remainder is 6 1s are 6, that is equal to 2. Okay, so I can say that 34 is a number which when divided by 4 gives a remainder of 2, and when divided by 6 gives a remainder of 2 again if it is successively divided, right? It is divided successively. Similarly, let us say a number is 46. When you divide by 4, 4 11s are 44, the remainder is 2. And this 11 when divided by 6, 6 ones are 6, the remainder is 5. So 46 is one such number. When divided by 4 and 6 successively, the remainders are 2 and 5. The way he is saying. But the point is I need to find out the smallest possible such number. 46 might not be smallest. So how do we find out the smallest such number? I am giving you a shortcut for this. Straight away look at this. You are dividing by 4 and 6. The remainders are 2 and 5. To have the smallest number, just forget about this. Multiply them and add it. Okay? Multiply them and add it. 5 fours are 20 plus 2. 22 is the smallest number which will divide it. The same process would continue even if there are 3 or 4 numbers. तब भी यही चलता है, मैं बताऊंगा उसके बारे में. So 5 fours are 20 plus 2, 22. Now he says 22 is successively divided by 5 and 3. पहले 5 से करो. 5 4s are 20. The remainder is 2. Then this 4 is divided by 3. This is called successive division. So when it is successively divided by 5 and 3, the remainders are 2 and 1. So my answer will be option B, that is 2 and 1. 2 and 1 are the respective answers for this. No, Kritik Goyal, it is not mandatory what you are asking. I hope all of you got my point. And what did I say? I'm saying, let us say the question is saying that if you divide a number successively by 2, 5 and 7, the remainders are 1, 4 and 3. So how do you find out the smallest number? Which when divided by successively 2, 5, 7, the remainders are 1, 4, 3. 3 into 5, 15, plus 4, 19, 19 into 2, 38, plus 1, 39. So 39 will be the smallest number which will satisfy this. So cross में multiply करके downwards add it. Then cross में multiply करके downwards add it. That ways you can find out the smallest number which when successively divided by something, you get remainders like these which are given over here. Okay. So that was question number 7. I am sure you all understood this. So I'll move ahead from here. So next is question number 8 on your screen now. Tamanna got the answer as C. That is Thursday. Kriti, it will be after the Maharashtra CET notification, not now. Rishabh has got C Thursday. Shelja has got D Tuesday. Girish has got C. Praj has got C. Naman, Prajwal, Mayank. Many people have got C. Now Mayank got D. Sumedh got C. Pranjul got C. Just a second, guys. Okay, let's start doing it then. करना शुरू करते हैं. What does it say? If 15th August 1905 was a Tuesday, which day was 15th August 1895? So 15th August 1905 and 15th August 1895. So this day is given as Tuesday. So I just have to go back by 10 years. Now, in 1 year, there is 1 extra day. So can I say in 10 years, there are 10 extra days, right? But there are some leap years as well. So between these two, I have got 1896 as a leap year, 1904 as a leap year. There are 2 leap years, which will have 2 more extra days. So ultimately, there are 12 extra days, which further divided by 7 gives you 5 extra days. So if 15th August 1905 was a Tuesday, 15th August 1895 would be Tuesday minus 5, and Tuesday minus 5 would be a Thursday. So my answer for this question is option C, that is Thursday. Very simple question. If you have studied calendars, I am sure that you would be able to do it real fast. And I'm assuming that you would also know that 1900 is not a leap year, right? In case of leap years, if it is a century, it should be divisible by 400, not 4. तो 1900 लीप ईयर नहीं है. 1896 was a leap year, 1904 was a leap year. बीच में 1900 जो आया था, it was not a leap year. Okay, that's question number 8. I'll move ahead now to question number 9. Question number 9 is here on your screen now. And yes, please listen to Girish as well. Girish is saying please like the session. If Girish is doing it, you also must do it. So please do like the session, guys. Aisha Jain got B 32. Okay. Divyam Raman has got B 32. Naman got 32. Pranjul got B, which is 32. Gaurav Kashid has got 32. Shelja got 32. Ayushi. Yes, everyone got 32. That's the correct answer, looks like. चलिए देखते हैं. Average salary of all the workers is 10,000. The average salary of a software technician is 16,000. Average salary of the rest is 8,000. और सबकी salary average 10,000 है. Of course, we can use allegation here. The ratio of the software technicians to the rest is 1:3. And the question says we have 8 software technicians. So if 1 represents 8, 3 represents 24. So the total number of workers is 8 software technicians, 24 rest, 8 plus 24, 32 is the total number of workers in the shopping mall. My answer is option B, which is equal to 32. 8 software technicians and 24 is the rest number of workers. So straight away it was a simple question of allegations. Allegations use करो, सीधा आंसर आता है. And anyways I see सभी लोगों ने सही आंसर दिया है, right? आयशा, नमन, प्रांजुल, गौरव, शैलजा, आयुषी, मयंक, इनोसेंट, यशी, कृति, शिवांशु, सुमेध, राहुल, सभी का आंसर करेक्ट है विदाउट एन एक्सेप्शन. ठीक है जी. सो आई मूव अहेड नाउ. तमन्ना, इट्स अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन बेस्ड अपॉन एलिगेशन, राइट? एलिगेशन में क्या होता है? यू पुट वन एवरेज ऑन वन साइड, अदर एवरेज ऑन अदर साइड, एंड ओवरऑल एवरेज इन द मिडल. So 16,000 is an average, 8,000 is an average, बीच में लिखिए 10,000. The differences are 2,000 and 6,000. So I can say the ratio is 1:3. 1:3 is the ratio of the number of software technicians to the rest. Number of software technicians हमें 8 दे रखे हैं. So if 1 is equal to 8, 3 is equal to 24, and total is 8 plus 24, that is 32. Okay. चलिए, next is question number 10 now. Question number 10 is here on your screen. How can I choose a good college? Just surf it on internet, Rahul. Find out different rankings and see which one is performing good. सीमेट का लेवल भी सिमिलर रहता है सर. हाँ गौरव, तकरीबन इसी तरह का. इट माइट बी स्लाइटली मोर डिफिकल्ट देन टिसनेट. Tamanna got the answer as C, that is 4. Anjali Gupta has got 32. Okay, I think it is for previous question, Anjali. Yashasvi has got C. Gaurav Kashid has got C. Yashi Mohan has got 4. Naman has got C4. Sunanda has got 4. तो काफी लोगों का C4 आ रहा है अब. Innocent has got C, that is 4. चलिए करते हैं. There are 280 ways of forming a group of x plus 2 men and 3 women out of a total of 8 men and 5 men. Find the value of x. See, out of 5 women, you are choosing 3 women. So that can be done in 5C3 ways. And out of 8 men, you are choosing x plus 2 men. So the total number of ways is equal to 280. So 5C3 into 8Cx plus 2 is 280. 5C3 होता है आपका 10. That means 8Cx plus 2 is equal to 28. Now, a little, hit and trial can tell you that 8C2 is equal to 28 and 8C2 is also equal to 8C6. So either x plus 2 should be 2 or x plus 2 should be 6. If x plus 2 is 2, then x should be 0, which is not in the options. If x plus 2 is 6, then x is equal to 4. So option C is the right answer for me. The value of x is equal to 4 because 8C, 4 plus 2, that is 8C6 is equal to that. Okay. Yes, Mayank, as far as I remember, yes, there is a negative marking in CMAT. I might be forgetting, but as far as I remember, there is a negative marking. ठीक है जी, that was question number 10. Pretty simple question based upon permutation and combination. This will bring us to 11th question of the day. Question number 11 on your screen now. And after this, we'll be having the last question of the day. Question number 12. Gaurav Kashid has got B as the answer. That is 4250. Shivanshu got B. Rishabh has got B. Pranjul has got B. Mayank has got B. Yashasvi. Everyone is getting B. Kriti Goyal has got B. Looks like B is the right one then. Anshifa has got B. Very good. Naman has got B. Innocent, Shelja Kumari, Sunanda Yadav, Tamanna Sahu, Jaydev. Everyone is getting B. Let's have a look at this. What is 12 and 1 by 2%? We all know it is 1 by 8. So if 16,000 is the principal, the first year's interest is 1 by 8 of this. 1 by 8 of this is 2,000. And the interest of the second year is 1 by 8 of 16,000, which is 2,000, plus 1 by 8 of this as well, which is 250. So the total interest of the 2 years is 4250. So second option 4250 is the right answer. I don't think there is anything else I need to explain in this question, right? That was question number 11. This brings us to the last question of the day. Question number 12 on your screen is here now. That's question number 12 now. Tamanna has answered real fast. She says D3. Shivanshu says D. Aisha says D. Shelja says 3. Naman, Pranjul, सभी का D आंसर, फटाफट आंसर आ रहे हैं. 3 times 10. Okay, 3 says Yashi. Mayank says 3. चलिए फटाफट कर ही लेते हैं फिर. For a series of 5 numbers, so there are 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The mean is 20. That means their total sum is equal to 100. The median and mode both are 10. Median means the middle number. Middle number is 10. I am assuming they are in increasing order. So the middle number is 10. Mode is also 10. So 10 would appear at least twice, right? At least twice. The highest number in the series is 50. So highest number is 50. And one of the numbers is 20. One of the numbers is 20, right? And I need at least one more 10 because the mode is 10. एक और at least 10 मान लेता हूं. So 50 plus 20, 70 plus 10, 80 plus 10, 90. तो एक अपने आप ही 10 बच गया फिर. That automatically means that 10 appears thrice. So my answer is option D, which is equal to 3. Simple सा question है. ठीक है. कंफ्यूज होने का था ही नहीं क्वेश्चन गौरव, आराम से हो जाता है. राहुल आप शायद एग्जैक्टली आईआईटी इलाहाबाद की उसके वेबसाइट पे जाके चेक कर रहे हैं. मैंने कहा आप रैंकिंग्स वगैरह चेक कीजिए दूसरी जगहों से. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट वेज थ्रू विच यू विल गेट टू नो. और एक जगह से नहीं, 4-5 जगह से चेक कीजिए, अलग अलग रैंकिंग्स, अलग अलग रिपोर्ट्स, देन यू विल गेट टू नो अबाउट द कॉलेज. ओके, इट इज डेफिनेटली नॉट 19 lakhs, दैट आई कैन बी श्योर ऑफ. Okay, ji, so that was question number 12. So last question of the day. Yes, if any one of you now is appearing for CAT 2023, we are here for you with a comprehensive program which includes everything written on the screen, and therefore we are calling it a comprehensive program. So do join us, guys. And for that, you can also write this scholarship exam, which is on 18th of February, that is tomorrow at 7 p.m. Register for it now and write the exam. You can get up to 90% scholarships through that. And also, day after, after on 21st of February, I would be there with you at 7 p.m. on BYJU'S Exam Prep app to talk about that why should we start CAT 2023 preparation now. So register for that too, and I'll be talking about this all in that particular session. Right? Starting from 19th of February, we are having TISSNET GK sessions every day at 9:30 p.m. on the YT channel of BYJU'S Exam Prep. Subscribe now because GK is very important part of TISSNET. I mean GK जिसका अच्छा नहीं होगा वो नहीं कर पाएगा TISSNET, सीधा सा मान के चलिए. So join this for the last few days practice. It is going to be real helpful. And not only that, from 15th of February we have started the last lab to TISSNET, and today also at 8 p.m. I am having a session on that. Every day at 8 p.m. we are having a session where we do complete revision of TISSNET in these last 8 days, right? If you are writing Maharashtra CET exam, we are having February 11 to 19 a mock test, open mock, which is written by lot many students. Do appear for this. It is going to be useful for you a lot, right? We are also available on all these media handles, guys. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. I'm sure that you like the class. Please do press the like button if you find it useful. एंड सुनंदा क्या कह रही हैं, टिस में ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आएंगे जी सुनंदा, ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आते हैं. पद्मा विल बी टेकिंग मोर क्वेश्चंस इन द अपकमिंग सेशंस नाउ. सीमेट महाराष्ट्र सीटी पे सेशंस भी हम लोग आगे लेते रहेंगे गौरव. वेरी सून विल बी टेकिंग मोर सोशल सेशंस ऑन दैट. जब टिसनेट खत्म हो जाएगा विल स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट सीमेट. जब वो खत्म हो जाएगा एमएच सीटी एंड सो ऑन सो फोर्थ. ओके, चलिए दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड गाइस. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हैव अ गुड डे. बाय बाय. टाटा.